Jesus.
Bulldozer.
Chairman.
What are you bulldozing here?
Okay, I eat this small food
though. I know maybe you're eating with some people. Where are they? Where are the family members that you're eating with?
Only me, I just manage this one. This thing no go reach me, This small thing no go reach me. If you no add on this thing, no go reach me, I know they like this kind of thing, no go reach me. See small carry. I be like say they stingy, you know they give person food. See small thing where you give me still they shout. Add 4 or 5 fufu here. Man, just use and manage myself. I know they call this kind house. I tell my brother, I know they call this kind house. If I get like someone that add here.
Hey! Bulldozer! Food of family members go chop. And they go even still remain small. Now you chop alone, they talk say, who is here?
Okay, this kind thing.
Who is in this house? Everybody come outside. Everybody in the house come outside. Blood of God. Everybody come outside.
Blood of God.
Come outside. Where's Spanner? Spanner! If you better come outside and sit here. Come outside and sit here now. Carry on. Good. Good. Come this side. Stay this side. Good.
Yeah, with the shop.
Excuse me.
I don't chop.
I want to ask a very simple question. Who give Bulldozer this Bulldozer guy to Bulldozer?
You don't do Gary for him again.
She come out now. I know today she don't come back. I don't even know you.
Spanner, so you brought
How she didn't even see the guy?
I want to ask Spanner some question. So Spanner, you came back to my house with your cousin to finish me. I know you have finished me. Now you brought her to demolish me.
Okay.
Spanner, how can a woman being be eating this kind of thing?
7 people, Gary.
My brother,
Family Gary, don't say 7 people. Family Gary.
Family Gary.
One person is still eating and he's even complaining. She's even complaining that she's
I
complaining.
know they like this kind of thing. I know they like this kind of thing. Like family kind this kind.
But I know
call this kind place. I know they like her.
I don't see anything for this.
They add
It's
fufu
not
here.
it's not like
No, add fufu here. No go reach you.
No much now.
Help
I
me
think there
tell
is
you.
something spoiled.
Hey,
Help me
You
tell
don't send me
you.
at the chop.
Just the chat for me here.
You don't send me at the chop where. If I mean that this is no reach
Help me
anywhere.
tell you.
This small food now where she won't manage. Just make she use her whole body first.
Always our own belly. The chat for me.
And when she dey talk that time, she say she dey hungry. I thought okay, make she manage the small guy wey dey there.
now you tell her where you go to
How
Gary.
she did she?
No be me
Wait,
tell her.
now the song already this.
This one too small.
Okay, this is
Hey! Ah,
this is
Jesus.
this small now. See am.
It's small. Help me tell you.
Well, let the food small. I swear.
Nah,
I don't see what
why you dey eat?
I don't see what
Help me tell you, I don't go call this kind house. So when I carry rice, call join am, even fufu set. Rice, make they fool me. When I carry rice or fufu 6 fufu make I dey tell you, I don't know the put my ear. No go benefit
You know,
me.
say,
Wait, I
Shut
want to ask one question. Let me come on slippers. Because I am about to get back. Just hold on. You know what? Just go and get me bag of garewa buy the other day. Get me bag of garewa buy the other day.
I don't know whether she will finish her. I don't know.
I'm about to explode.
Wow.
Mama,
Okay.
I will bomb.
Okay, small, slow.
I'm going to bomb.
I don't want that. You don't bomb.
Fufu of family size. One person.
Hey. Omo.
Hey, blood of Jesus. Jesus.
Oh, no, no. Spa.
Sir?
Boo. Boo and Spa has finished me. Boo and Spa has finished me. So you came to my house. The Gary one I buy 3 days ago.
I don't even know how she
There's nothing
gets
inside
it.
it. Inside my Gary.
It should be the small guy when
Hey! No, no, God.
This is not small Gary.
You came to my house, you finished me, and you brought your cousin to demolish me.
This is they call him small Gary.
Do you know if all of us start eating this Gary?
We're not gonna finish
We're not
it.
going to finish this Gary. Now she will deep hand inside.
no the joke. Why you go talk this kind of thing? Now, this is too small now. If you get what you should do when they different, we understand. You talk about for if now because of this small Gary now, this minor Gary what she do so. She never even chop anything. And some I dey picture like this now because she needs small something to add. I don't I know my cousin. She never even chop. No. I know my cousin. She never even chop. I didn't think say like any small something.
So I can go. It gets small. What be that one?
You don't like to the chop. You don't like to come for you. You don't like to the chop.
Hey! This one.
And the chop, you see the phone for you.
Grab me some more.
See the way they do for you. You see the put on.
Precious! This one will kill me. It's okay. Pack everything that is in that kitchen. Put it inside my room. Put me inside my room. Hey!
Okay.
Smell out. Grab somebody.
You see the chop. Put Gary for you.
Hello.
You see the chop.
No. Give me. Where is this about?
Okay.
Give me.
No.
It's okay.
Okay, never reach like that.
Hey! Thank you.
Okay.
This one will not reach one day.
Wallahi.
One day, Kaya. You people will wear this one one day. One day, Bulldozer will wear this one.
I'll go put that on it.
Oh, no, we never know who. Oh, if I'm talking, if nobody chatting, you finish my food.
Let us grab the room.
It's okay. Eat this one.
No,
Eat this one. Eat this one. I don't care.
You never reach like that.
You don't reach.
You never reach like
You don't
that.
reach.
So carry for go.
You don't reach.
You never reach
You
now.
don't reach.
You
Is
never
there
reach.
any other thing that is there? Bring it.